Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 116 of building the Back to the Future Delorean. In this issue, I'm going to be adding some cables to the reactor drum. It shouldn't be difficult. There's 4 of them, and that's all we get. 2 on one side, and funnily enough, 2 on the other side. So that will look like that when I've completed it. We're continuing our look at the animated adventures. Animated, but that is. I haven't tracked them down yet. I will. I'll have a look and see, because I do like Back to the Future. It's quite good. I'm going to go back and watch the original movie again very shortly as well. So, yeah, we'll get with that. Hill Valley Town Square in 1955. Much the same. Next issue, some more cables. Another quick build. So we'll get on with that. We're looking at the Michael J. Fox story as well. That's going to be quite interesting. So, yes, let's get these cables fitted. Okay, here we are. We have 4 cables. They are all exactly the same, but they are all unique in their own way. They've got a 90-degree plug on one end and a 0-degree, 180-degree, a straight plug on the other. 2 of these go on one side and 2 go on the other side. Now, as I have mentioned, my eyes are not playing ball at the moment, so this is an easy thing to do, but not so easy for me at the moment. We've got the 4 holes on there. I'll aim for one of them. Get it in there. That goes in there like so. So that was the top one. I've got to do the trickier underneath one as well. But that then wraps around and goes into a big black box at the end there, which I can't quite see the hole in at this angle, in this lighting. So what I shall do is get all of them plugged in, and I shall show you what it looks like at the end once you can see what's going on. Yeah, there we go. Adds a bit of much needed colour to that surround there. So that is that. Quite happy, quite easy, but quite, well, easy when you can see what you're doing. But it works, so I'm all right with that. Good. These bits obviously need to be sorted out at some point, but not quite yet. For now, that is that. Another issue done. I shall see you hopefully tomorrow for another part. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.